Ever wonder how we turn a plain board into a luxury wall? Today I'm taking you inside our factory to see the magic of WPC fluted panels. First, it looks like this. It's strong and waterproof, but it needs style. First, the panel goes through our calibration machine. This step is vital. It ensures every groove is perfectly symmetrical and the edges are razor sharp. This is why our panels fit together so seamlessly during installation. No gap, just a perfect wall. After the first processing stage, the panel looks like this. We have applied the base wood grain texture. You can see the detail starting to emerge. But to make it truly premium and scratch resistant, we need to go to our most advanced station. Now we use our industrial UV printing system. We digitally control the color to ensure it's perfect. This machine bakes the finish onto the WPC using ultraviolet light. The result is a surface that won't fade in the sun and is tough enough for high traffic areas like hotels or busy homes. The final result is a stunning, easy to install panel that transforms any room instantly. Whether it's for a living room, feature wall, or a commercial office, we've got the quality you can trust. We pack them extra strong to ship worldwide. We focus on protection. Every order is meticulously packed in a reinforced bundle to ensure it arrives at your doorstep in perfect condition. Quality from the first raw cut to the final package. Contact us today to bring this innovation to your next project.